a new video on YouTube. Today we're gonna be playing in or out. So that's a game like that you make video and slime and then you say to need in or out. You say right here you can say you're out if and you can be back. So if it say like something, if if you have a PS4 you're out, so you're out, and then there will be something like it say if you like you are back in if you like pizza, and then you will be back, then you can continue to play. So this is the rules, guys, and we're gonna be showing one. You listen to Billy. Let's show one. Okay, I don't know. Let's show this line. We have a glosses. Okay, let's go. Just whatever. Okay, guys. I'm not suggesting to get crazy or something, cause like I'm just a fucking kid, right? Yeah, okay. Lucky. Yeah. Yeah, shut up. You're out of control. I have never played with that shit. I'm not out. No, I'm not wearing anything. No, nothing. I'm alone in my room, like, yeah. Okay. Unicorns? Who likes this shit? Girls like this shit. I really hate unicorns. In my class, I have a friend. She has so many stickers of unicorn. Everybody every girl in the Ox Expo these stickers. But I'm not fucking interested in this. You're back in. Of course. Who hate ice cream, guys? Who hate ice cream? The person who hate ice cream. That person is crazy. It's a crazy shit. You are out if you're out. No, I don't know. In my country, there is no that. Yeah. I mean, in my city. Yeah, that shit. But there's so many coffee. But a McDonald's coffee. What will say? Orange. No. I did this week. What I have bought? I think I bought candies, right? Just fucking whatever. Okay, guys. Next. Pink is my. I really hate pink, dude. Pink is my hate of colors. I really hate that fucking color. Nothing is pink, guys. If my parents or someone bought something pink for me fresh, I will not take it. I will not take it. My favorite color is blue, guys. Your own pair of clothes. Oh, okay. I don't have. I heard that I will be in, guys. Okay, yeah, your favorite is orange. I hate you. Yeah, guys, orange is my favorite fruit. Always that happens to me when I'm always close. What the fuck? Oh, hot chocolate. No, I love it, guys. Okay. I really like this game, yeah. something, a game on YouTube. What is this? But I don't wear. Okay. What the? Wait a sec, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. My friend was talking to me. Yeah, let's go. If you're wearing, press the job. No, I'm not wearing this shit. I'm not wearing. Oh, when I will be back? Oh no, always that happens to me. Always. Oh my. Will I take a shower? What? Of course I took a shower, dude. Who don't take that? Okay, well, I'm back. Well, I'm in. Great, yeah, I'm in. Okay, well, just whatever. Now we go to. Oh no. Okay. Pizza. Let's watch this pizza. You're out if you. Oh my gosh. Why did I come here? Why did I come here? Okay, I came here, so I need to watch it, right? Who don't like pizza? Who don't like pizza, dude? Who don't like that? Oh, fuck. Yeah, shut up. You're wearing glasses. No, I don't wear glasses. I don't wear glasses, guys. I don't wear. I know what to wear. Yeah, if you're wearing shoes. No, I didn't wear shoes. No. Right now? Wait, what did we say? You are. Okay. I missed one. I think that I missed one. Did I miss? No, I did not. If you're watching this one. Oh. Oh, great. Oh, great, guys. Great. Why? Yes. Yeah, guys. Blue is my favorite color. Everything is blue for me. My teddy bears, my bag, my room is blue. Everything is blue for me. Yeah, everything. Because what is big up? I have been back. This is much sport and yeah. You are if you like celery. What's celery? I think that's a food. Oh, yeah. What did I watch? Come on. Oh God, if you're watching, you are watching this on your TV channel. Oh, okay. No, yeah, no. My TV is playing. Jack Paul. What? No, I don't want that. I don't watch. Next. No, I don't have. I don't have my own. He's totally my favorite subject. You guys, you wanna hear my hater subject? My hater subject is math, science, French, and Arabic. No. Yeah, science is math, science, and story, and geography. Yeah, I hate these three. I like only English and French. Your art is your wearing jeans. I'm not wearing jeans. I'm wearing a short, a t-shirt and a short, a red t-shirt and a black short. If you have another, no. Yeah, I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's have yellow in that t-shirt, red. Oh, oh, come on, dude. Come on. Who hates pizza? Who hates pizza? You're back if you like broccoli. I really hate that shit. Broccoli. Creole, my country language, Creole. I speak English, I speak Francais. I speak Arabic. No, I'm shit at Arabic. I speak, wait, it's a Molan? Molan? Why do I speak Arabic? Yeah, I speak Arabic. I speak 4 languages. Great. Yo, what the fuck? You are out? You are out? What? You are out? Oh yeah. How much people dislike this video? Let's close my eyes. 15. 15 people dislike that video. Wow. Wow. So you know how much video I like, guys? I like more. I like more than 1,000 videos. You wanna see? Guys. 1,045 video elected from me. Yeah. Guys, how much videos I like? Wait, I hadn't. Yo, what the hell? I had never asked me what was my 5 video I liked. Yeah. What was it? Okay, see you guys. So here I am, guys. My 5 video was Mr. Bean. My 5 video was Mr. Bean. My second was Teen Titans Go. My third was Hey. Yo, I remember when I got my iPad. I remember that I watched this fucking shit. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Go subscribe my channel and click the notification bell for never miss a video again, guys, and also like the video. If you want more those type of video, tell me in the comment below.